Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to cook a hearty and rich bolognese, slowly simmered to perfection. First, add some olive oil to a pot. Heat it up and add 2 sprigs of rosemary. Peel 2 cloves of garlic and add them to the rosemary in the oil. Next, cut 250 grams of pancetta. In any size you want, ideally bite-sized. Add it to the pot and let it brown. Next, cut 1 red onion. Add it to the pot and saute until soft. Then we'll need 3 stalks of sliced celery. Add to the pot and stir. Last but not least, cut and peel 3 carrots and dice them into small pieces. Now add them to the pot and stir. Let them soften, which will take around 15 minutes. Add 600 grams of ground beef. Season with salt and pepper and let it brown. A secret tip of mine to boost the flavor is to add 2 cubes of beef stock seasoning. Once the beef has browned, add 1 cup or 250 milliliters of red wine. I used Merlot. Let the beef simmer in the red wine, and once the alcohol has cooked off, add 1 can or 400 grams of crushed tomatoes. Add your dry herbs. I use oregano, basil, and thyme. As well as 4 bay leaves. Mix everything together, reduce the heat, and let the sauce simmer for around 3 hours. In that time, the flavors will melt together, creating a rich and delicious bolognese. Check occasionally on the sauce by stirring. Now boil a pot of water, add salt. For my bolognese today, I am using rigatoni. Add the pasta to salted boiling water and cook to package instructions. Once the pasta is al dente, add your bolognese. And stir. Serve the bolognese with a generous amount of freshly grated Parmesan. Now savor this delicious bowl of bolognese with love. Thank you for watching today's video. Like and subscribe and turn on your notifications to see more of my delicious recipe videos.